You know, I was actually gonna come on here with like really cute like kimono top thing, but it's kind of chilly, so boyfriend sweater. I swear, like, having a boyfriend who's what, 6'4", 6'5", and you're 5'2", like, all those sweaters and t-shirts and everything is just like dresses for it's just dresses for me, and it's just like, yes. And plus it smells like him, so I'm like extra happy. So yeah, anyway, let's get into this. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Elma. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This good weather has just got me feeling summer so much for some reason, and I'm slowly but surely coming to terms with me, myself, and I, and my body and all that, and I just feel like extra confident. Like the other day I went out with like a crop top and my belly a little bit showing, and I was just like, you know what, girl, so what if it jiggles a little bit? We're good, okay? Yeah, so I decided, since I am super inspired by this beautiful weather, to give you this super glossy, glowy summer look. I do hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And click on that subscribe button if you want to see more. And on that note, like, we are so many now, like a whole bunch of people subscribed, and I'm like, yeah, like actually like super duper excited. I'm like, hey, happy dance every time I see like a little number go up, and I'm like, hey, 5K, here I come. Hello, hello, hello. Anyway, so my lids have already been prepped for eyeshadow, and going in with the Soft Glam palette, I'm first going to apply the color Orange Soda in my crease as a sort of transition color. Then I'm going in with the color Rustic, and I'm going to apply it in the outer corner, creating depth and dimension. Using a clean fluffy brush, I'm then going to blend those colors together, making sure there are no harsh lines. To add light to the look, we're going in with the color Fairy that we're going to apply with a flat synthetic brush. For that extra pop, we're going to apply the color Glistening, and we're going to use our finger for that and just blend the colors. Then we're going to go back in with Rustic because it kind of got muddled up in the brighter colors, and I really want to have that nice base so that when I smoke out my lash, it disappears in that darker color. Moving on to skin, I'm going to be using the Pro Filt'R primer by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to apply that all over. The reason I use this is because I've been having skin problems. Well, now it's better, but I had like really dry patches, and I wanted something that's going to hydrate, but that's also going to create a smooth surface for my foundation. And for foundation, I'm using the Mercier Tinted Moisturiser, and I really love this. At first I was like, this is not the right color, but I found a way to make it work, and I'm definitely gonna get darker during the summer. I can't wait. But I really love this because even though it's a tinted moisturizer, it has quite some coverage, and it's very luminous. It's actually like an illuminating tinted moisturizer. Then I'm gonna go in with my Naked Skin concealer by Urban Decay. One of my favorites, and just highlight. Then I'm gonna set all those highlighted areas with my Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. So that my lower lash line is not bare, I'm going in with the color Rustic with a big fluffy brush to smoke out that area. Now for the fun part, I'm going to smoke out the wing, and for that I'm using my gel liner from Maybelline. It's one of my favorites, and when I want to do smoked out looks, I find that using pot gel works best because it doesn't dry so fast and it smudges easily, especially this one, and it's pretty dark. And I'm just going to use this brush and just start smudging everything so it looks kind of messy but like smoky at the same time, if you know what I'm saying. I'm going back with that color glistening in the center of my mobile lid to make sure I don't lose any of that brightness. Back to the face, I'm going to use the Stick Foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Mink. This one is pretty cool, actually very cool compared to my Fenty Beauty matchstick, but I still really like it. Like, it really does create those shadows, and it's the perfect color for the nose contour. I'm gonna carve out those existent, non-existent cheekbones using my setting powder. This is a neat trick. Just let it sit and you're good to go. These 3D Mink lashes are from a Montreal-based brand. I'll be leaving the link to her Instagram if you're interested. They're only $15, guys, and look at how pretty they are. Then I'm gonna set all my face with the Becca powder. Guys, I really love this powder. I have a tutorial, first impressions using it, and I just grabbed for it now. Like, it's so perfect. Then I'm using my Too Faced to set all that before moving in to the rest of the makeup. For blush, I'm using the Too Faced Love Flush in Baby Love. It's really a nice peachy blush, but I think I went a little bit crazy, so I muted it out with my powder brush with what was remaining on it. I didn't add any extra products. Now for the glow, I wanted to use a drugstore highlighter because I use a lot of high-end. I'm very much aware of it, but sometimes for highlighters I just like the drugstore one. Like this Master Curler from Maybelline is top notch, and check out that glow. For bronzer, I'm using an oldie but a goodie, the Dark Chocolate de Soleil by Too Faced, and I really love this bronzer, especially when I'm a bit more tan, because it's a little bit more, I don't want to say orangey because I think that's a bad word when it comes to bronzers, but it's definitely warmer than most of my bronzers. Here's a neat trick to create your perfect nude lipstick. So I use a little bit of my concealer and apply a very light amount on my lips. So you want to go with your favorite brown that's a little bit darker than your skin tone, and for me it's Cork, and just align my lips. And then what I do is just blend those together with my finger, like just in like a feathering motion, and that's how you have like the perfect nude.
Because I promised a little bit of glossiness, I'm going to apply over the top lip gloss from the Desi Beauty collection with Dose of Colors. I really love this gloss because it is so reflective and It's not like sticky, it's just beautiful like all the time. For some reason, I always forget to show me putting some mascara on my bottom lashes, and this time I